Alright guys, so we're here at the Off-Road Product Expo. It's day 2, and we're going to do a quick walk around video for you all. Chicken Shine, Lost Riders, Monster Rigging, whole gang of Weule builds.
Okay, I'll go get it right now. Where are we going?
Excuse me, sir.
Fab whips. The best dancer that I think is going to win a Thunder Fab swag bag and a 3-foot pair of RGB whips from Marshall Glove. Hey, yo, DJ.
Expedition, Ranger. Huge hunting rack on this unit. That's pretty cool. It's called a quack rack. Not a whole lot of talking in this video. We're just giving you guys a quick rundown of what's here at the show and what y'all missed if y'all stayed home.
Come on, we need some more dancers over here. You win a free set of whips. Free set of whips. Drop them over your hands with us a little bit.
This one's pretty sweet. I like these tires. A tracker for your side-by-side.
Yeah, let's do this.
Bobby Cobb's rig. Carter's Offroad got a big ass mega truck out here. All right, guys, so that's a wrap for the 2025 Off-Road Product Expo. Hope you all enjoyed the quick walkthrough. This year, the builds here weren't as extreme as last year, I'd say, but I'm glad to see a good turnout today. Yesterday was pretty dead out here because of all the snow and ice and stuff that they had gotten here in Arkansas. But here's to a great 2025 season. See you all at Mud Nationals.